Hey everyone, and welcome to our series on mastering trading strategy backtesting right here on TradingView. If you've tried trading, you know how exciting, but also how challenging, it can be. And maybe, just maybe, you've lost some money on trades that you thought would work. We've all been there. Trading without a clear, tested plan is like trying to navigate a new city in the dark without a map. You might get lucky, but chances are, you'll get lost, maybe bump into a few things, and definitely waste a lot of time and resources. This is where backtesting comes in. Think of backtesting as your time machine and your testing lab. It's the process of taking your trading strategy, your set of rules for when to buy or sell, and applying those rules to historical market data. You look at what happened in the past and see how your strategy would have performed if you had traded it during that time. So, why is this so crucial, especially before you put real money on the line? Well, it allows you to see the potential outcome of your strategy without risking any capital. It's like a pilot using a flight simulator before flying a real plane. You can crash and burn in the simulator as many times as you need to learn, and it costs you nothing but time. Trading is no different. By backtesting, you can identify flaws, see what works, and what doesn't, all in a risk-free environment. This brings us to the massive benefits of backtesting. First, validating your ideas. You might have a great idea for a strategy, but backtesting provides objective evidence. Does it actually generate profitable signals on historical data? Or does it lead to consistent losses? You get concrete answers, not just hopeful guesses. Second, understanding performance. Backtesting gives you detailed statistics on how your strategy performed. We'll look at metrics like total profit, number of trades, winning percentage, and much more in later lessons. This data helps you understand the strategy's strengths and weaknesses. Third, managing risk. One of the most critical outputs of backtesting is understanding the potential downside. How large were the drawdowns, the drops in equity from a peak? Knowing the historical maximum drawdown is vital for setting appropriate stop losses and managing your position size in live trading. And fourth, building confidence. When you see that your strategy has performed well over various historical periods, you build confidence in its potential. This confidence is essential for sticking to your trading plan during challenging times in the live market. Now, it's absolutely vital to set realistic expectations. You'll hear this often, and it's true. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Market conditions change, and what worked historically might not work perfectly tomorrow. However, backtesting gives you an invaluable edge. It allows you to move from making trading decisions based on gut feeling or hope to making decisions based on data and historical evidence. You've simulated the market battles and seen the potential outcomes. Oh, backtesting isn't a magic bullet, but it is an absolutely essential step for any serious trader looking to build and test their strategies effectively. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the different approaches, manual versus automated backtesting. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you found this introduction helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments why you're interested in learning backtesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.